flipping the switch, lock, and connected. So these are the lines that I soldered directly to the motherboard. This is the minus, plus, data minus, data plus, sense, OTG switch, the power line, the USB port that I took from old case. It's the wire, it's my FIO E07K. It's my Xperia M. Designed to play music mostly. I still have to do something because the pen drives are not working correctly, but can be fixed, I think. These wires mostly are from power supplies, so I think that it may require some more power to pass through. And it can easily charge through this cable, but I don't know how I will pass the security check on the airport with such a messy phone.